So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the system language on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if your system language has switched to a language that you don't really understand and you want to take it back to its default, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by navigating to the Settings app. Now the Settings app is normally this gear icon, so it's a black background with a white gear, and you're just going to tap on it to open it. Once you're in Settings, you then want to scroll all the way down until you find this specific icon in the Settings menu. So it's these adjustable sliders that you can see right there. You're going to tap on that. From here, you're then going to look for language. Now language in the general management section, which is the option that you've just selected, is always the first option. So you don't really need to understand the language. You can just tap on the very first option and you'll have moved to the language section. Now from here, you can see the current language that you're using, and then you have your other default language that you had previously been using. So you can always choose to just tap on it like that. Or if you don't see it in this list, then you want to tap on this plus icon so that you can find it in the list of available languages. Once you've made your choice, then you're just going to tap on it to select it, and you're going to choose apply. So this is if you're in this menu here, you can just tap on apply. If you're choosing to add a language, you can just search for it here. You will be prompted to choose the specific region. Just go ahead and select it. And then once you've chosen your region, you're then going to choose the second option at the very bottom of this menu. Once you've selected it, wait a few moments and the system language should change back to its default option. And so that is how you can revert back to the default system language on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.